Internet security is paramount, and the increasing prevalence of hacking, cracking, and online banking frauds has ensured that everyone needs to find an optimal solution to keep themselves safe. That's where VPNs come in. Short for Virtual Private Network, VPNs are some of the simplest and most effective tools to protect your internet activity from those with malicious intent. But how does it protect you? Instead of connecting your computer directly to the internet, a VPN sends all your traffic through a secure encrypted tunnel. This secure pipeline ensures that nobody can see your internet activities, including hackers or even your internet service provider. VPNs are particularly handy to use when working on public Wi-Fi. Say, for example, you are at an airport or a cafe. There's no guarantee that network is well protected. Using a VPN, you can connect to a secure online server and tunnel all your traffic through it to stay secure against any threat or bad actors. Getting set up with a VPN service is easy, and there are many options on the market, some more secure than others. One of the best free options is Proton VPN. Step 1. Download app from the App Store or Google Play Store to your iPhone or your Android device. Step 2. Sign up for a free account. The free account should be enough to get you started and gives you access to a handful of server locations. Step 3. Tap Connect. On iOS and Android, the app will ask you to make a VPN connection request. Once you tap OK, the VPN connection will be established. And that's it. 3 easy steps to get started with a VPN service. Looking for a bit more? Features like built-in ad blocking, higher speeds, and more server locations? Paid VPN services like NordVPN, Proton VPN's premium service, and ExpressVPN are the way to go. So there you go. Next time you're out and about, switch on a VPN and keep yourself protected from unwanted snoopers.